Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 GMC Canyon Denali. This is basically the highest loaded up Canyon you can get. Stickering for $45,390. Onyx black over jet black. Really a nice truck. Nice Denali badging. Back seat area. Do have running boards. You can use the step up and then in. Automatic windows. Touchscreen is really nice, easy to use. All materials in here are really nice as well. Love this wood trim that's on the shifter area and on the door itself. Nice leather wrapped wheel and dashboard, Bose surround sound system. Overall, a really nice overall package. And it's your cheapest way into a Denali, I believe, as well. Definitely a Denali truck. After driving other GMC Canyons and trucks of the like, this drives very differently. It's a lot more luxurious, a lot more comfortable. It's just really nice. This features the 3.6 six-cylinder mated to the 8-speed automatic transmission, and it's just very smooth, very relaxed. It's all a really nice daily package. I cannot complain at all about this truck. Even how quiet it is. If you drove the Colorado or the Canyon work trucks and you stepped into this, you could really easily tell the difference. For somebody stepping into no other canyon or Colorado but this one. Could you sit there and tell? Maybe not, until you drove them back to back. Then you can really tell the difference. And plus, all the features and amenities in here are really upgraded from the normal Canyon. Not bad at all. And it's a test for kickdown. Nice, quick. Can't even feel the shifts. That's impressive. Overall, the Canyon Denali is a phenomenal package. For somebody who's looking at their first truck and is kind of afraid to go kind of the full-size trucks with your F-150, your Sierra 1500, this is an excellent stepping stone to get used to truck life. You know, if you work every once in a while, you know, like irrigation jobs, stuff like that, you don't need to haul a big heavy trailer, but you want the bed just for that added convenience, the Canyon is perfect for you. Drives like a car, yet still feeling like a truck. It's really a great overall package. So thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.